Let's continue this problem. This time we want to find out midpoint between these two given points. So last video we talked about mostly how to find distance between these 2 points. Now this time we focus on finding the midpoint. So when I look at this segment carefully, I can guess midpoint is around here. And then this midpoint, when I do a triangle like last time we did distance between these 2 points, so this distance must be equal to this distance here. So it looks like this is like an average between 2 x coordinate and 2 y coordinate. So just using the average formula to find x coordinate and the y coordinate. So x case, so x mid, I can say 1 plus negative 2 over 2, so become negative 1 over 2. And then y mid, I can see 5 plus negative 4 over 2, so become 1 over 2. So now I can guess this midpoint will become negative 1 over 2 and then 1 over 2. Or you can use it as a decimal, negative 0.5 and then 0.5 here. Then let's talk about whether they really have the same distance. If it is, then we can finalize and confirm this formula is correct midpoint formula, right? Okay, so I provided on below here. So I already make 2 columns and then make distance between these 2 points. Okay, so we'll try the left side first. So in this case, d equal to negative 2 minus negative 0.5 square plus negative 4 minus 0.5 square, of course, don't forget square root. Then this become square root negative 1.5 square plus negative 4.5 square. If you calculate this, it will be square root 22.5 and approximately it become 4.743 like that. Okay, so let me try the right side one too. So I'm going to use different color so you can see a little better. So d equal to square root 1 minus negative 0.5 square plus 5 minus 0.5 square. So this case square root 1.5 square plus 4.5 square. Therefore this also come out square root 22.5, so that we approximate this also become 4.743 here. So as you see, so we just go back what we did here. Finding midpoint, we try to find average between 2 x values and make x coordinate, and 2 y values and make 2 y coordinate. And as a result, we double check with the distance here, then it is correct formula. Therefore, now we can finalize the midpoint formula. So if 2 points x1, y1 and x2, y2 are given, the midpoint becomes x1 plus x2 over 2 and then y1 plus y2 over 2. That will be the midpoint formula. Then let's do one more question. So given point 4,7 and negative 4, negative 1. Now we want to try to find midpoint of these 2 points here. So now we know this formula already, so I totally apply this formula this time. So it becomes 4 plus negative 4 over 2, and then 7 plus negative 1 over 2. Therefore, midpoint becomes 0 over 2, 6 over 2. So the answer becomes 0, 3 here. Okay, so when you finalize midpoint, you must write as an order pair or coordinate. The reason is this is a point. You just give me x equals 0 and then y equals 3, then you actually give us one vertical line and one horizontal line, so that's not the right answer. You must write using order pair. Okay?